Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It has been a hot minute since I've uploaded on YouTube, but I am looking to change that this summer, so I'm going to be kicking off my YouTube channel again with some tutorials, some art videos, and some clip compilations because a couple people have been asking about them and I have honestly only done like 2 ever. As most of you guys know, and if you don't, I'm about to tell you, I am a Twitch streamer and emote artist, and a lot of my clients who I make emotes for are new Twitch streamers, so they don't really know a lot about the Twitch world yet, but they are learning and I am here to help you with that. So since emotes are my specialty, I decided that I'm going to make a video telling you how to upload Twitch emotes and how to size them up for your Twitch channel. So if you're interested in learning how to do that, stay tuned and I'll see you guys over there. Well, hello everybody. We are on a different screen now. You can see what I'm looking at. So obviously this is my spec gasm emote, and if you're a Twitch streamer and you don't have a gasm emote, you need to get on that because it's essential. The first thing that you want to make sure that you have for your emote before you upload it onto Twitch is transparency. So for those of you who don't know, transparency basically means that the image can be seen through in some areas, and you're going to have to export it as a PNG file, which allows transparency in the file. So JPEGs, which are most picture types, do not have transparency. They don't support it. So if there's a transparent part on a JPEG, it'll just turn white, and you don't want that. So as you can see, this checkered pattern here, that means that there is transparency active on this image. So if I add this dark background behind, which I do pretty often for emotes just to make sure that they can be read on a darker background, because I mean, we all use dark mode on Twitch. Like, I don't know anyone who uses light mode, so I usually check them on dark and light mode, but generally dark first. And I can just make sure that all the edges are good and that you can see through them. So that is a-okay. So now we can actually go ahead and go to sizing the emote. I love using hotkeys. It streamlines my workflow, and I'm going to always try to share the hotkeys with you guys so you can learn as I go, so you know you can get quick at doing this stuff too. So, but I will also take you through the normal route. So you're going to want to go to image size, and 1500 by 1500, you're going to want to make sure that it's a square and that it is in pixels, not inches, not millimeters, pixels. So the hotkey for that is Control-Alt-I, and the same window does pop up, so I use that a lot as well. And the first size is 112. There you go, you got 112, and now we're going to export it as a PNG. So do export, quick export as PNG, and then spec gasm 112. Good to go. So you're going to want to repeat that process for 56 by 56, 28 by 28, and that's all the sizes you need, just those 3. Or I'm going to show you a quick shortcut if you're wanting to export all of them at once. So go to export, export as, or to get to this window, the short key is Alt Control Shift W. So if you want to do plus over here, and remember this original picture that is still behind here is 112 by 112, and it says that right here. And you can export all of these at the same time, so do the 112 suffix right here. And this is the suffix on this is just what the file name type is going to be. So I change it to the actual corresponding file sizes so I can keep track of it, and then do this first one to 1 times, the second one to 0.5, and then this last one you're actually going to have to change to 0.25. And with all of these numbers set just like this, it will export all the sizes that you need from Photoshop. I personally don't know another software that has an export as like this. I haven't found it. There might be. Otherwise, you're going to have to just do it one at a time, which I had to do for a long time before I figured this out. Export all of them, select the folder, and good to go. This is my channel, and I did all my channel art, so hit me up if you need some. So go to your little icon here in the top right and go to Creator Dashboard. And over here to the left, actually, you're not going to be able to see it because I am in the way. So let me move me up a little bit. See this affiliate tab right here in settings? Click that, and I want to move me back down. And over here, Alright guys, once you are in the emote setting, you can see all the emotes that I currently have, and these are my tier 1 emotes, this is my tier 2, and I don't have anything for tier 3, and I'm missing one for tier 1. So from here, we're going to go down and select the tier that you want to upload. So you can see that it's allowing me to do it for tier 1 because I have a slot, and tier 3 because I have a slot, but for tier 2, it says that I've already uploaded, so if I wanted to upload something for tier 2, I'd have to take this one away. So I'm going to go ahead and upload my Specgasm to tier 3. So down here you can see these 3 squares with the corresponding sizes below them. And all you're going to do is just, I have my folder, let's see, over here. So I have it on my other monitor, but we're just going to click and drag it over in the corresponding sizes. And of course you can also click on this and it'll also bring up, you know, your folder. So you can find it that way, but I find it easier just to click and drag. And from here, you're going to select a unique code. This is the code that you're going to use to call upon in chat to get your emote. So your preview will be selected for you if you're an affiliate. I'm pretty sure if you're a partner, you'll be able to create your own. But this one, we're just going to do GASM. So that's the full code. You saw it update there. And then we're going to do save changes. Alright, so you can see it is finally up here in the tier 3 slot and it says that it's pending. With Twitch emotes, it actually goes through an approval process and Twitch partners will get approved immediately, but for Twitch affiliates, it does take a few days to up to a week. So just keep checking back and see when it's live in chat. You'll also get an email to say if it's approved or denied. I'm going to be making another video on emotes that get denied and why they get denied and how to fix that, but basically it's if it doesn't follow community guidelines or if it didn't hit the requirements of the actual image, such as being a JPEG, not having transparency, or being the wrong size. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you learned something, and yeah, definitely come check me out on Twitch, and before you go, hit that subscribe button and hang out and do all the things. You guys know what to do. I don't gotta tell you what to do. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.